In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Temp Mail to sign up for ElevenLabs. We'll walk through a quick, clean way to create an ElevenLabs account using a temporary inbox, which is perfect for testing or keeping your primary email uncluttered. All you need is a web browser. Start by opening your browser and searching for Temp Mail. Open the Temp Mailer website. On the home page, you'll see a ready-made temporary email address. Copy it to your clipboard. This address is active right away, and it will receive messages for a limited time, so keep this tab open while you register. If you accidentally refresh and the address changes, just copy the new one. Next, open a new tab and go to the ElevenLabs sign-up page. In the email field, paste the temporary address you just copied. In the password field, create a strong password that you'll remember for the duration of your testing. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. When everything looks good, click Sign Up. If the page shows any prompts, just follow them and proceed. Double check that there's no extra space before or after the email. Small typos or stray characters can block verification and slow you down. Now switch back to the Temp Mailo tab. This is your inbox for the temporary address. Messages usually arrive within a few seconds, but they can take a minute. If you don't see anything right away, wait a bit and then refresh the inbox. Look for the message from ElevenLabs with a subject like verify your email for ElevenLabs and open it. If you see several messages, choose the newest one and be patient. Some services briefly queue emails during busy periods. Inside the message, click the verification link or button. That will take you to an ElevenLabs confirmation page. The verification link usually opens in a new tab. If your browser asks for permission, confirm and continue so the page can load. On that page, click Continue to move forward. You'll be brought to the sign-in screen. Click Sign In to proceed with your newly verified account. That's the entire process. You searched for a temp mail service, copied the address, used it to register on ElevenLabs, then verified the account through the temporary inbox, and continued to sign in. One quick note before we wrap up. Temporary inboxes expire and are public on some services, so avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information. Also, because you won't control this inbox long-term, password recovery or important notifications might not reach you later. For short-term testing though, this method is fast and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring ElevenLabs.